Hello students, here for BCom 6th semester Industrial Economics. In today's video we will discuss about the syllabus. What is the syllabus for Industrial Economics for 6th semester? So first unit 1, meaning scopes of industrial economics, in which we will study about the needs, importance, role of industries in economics and social development. Whatever the need is there, importance and role. Important questions, many times questions had been asked for that is about what are the needs of industrial economics or importance of industrial economics. Here it is there. So many times, that is need, importance and role of industrial economics and social development. Then second one, it is industries and agriculture linkage, industries classification, public or private or joint sectors as well as cooperative sectors and MNCs, multinational companies and their roles. Whatever the public sector's company, private sector company or joint stock company or cooperative sectors, all those things we will study here. Then unit 2, that is location, where the location of the industry is to be there. Theories of location, we will study the different types of theories of location. Then factors influencing the location design. Then dispersal and decentralization of industries. Then need of balance, regional development of industries. See here, decentralization of industries, need for balance, regional development for industries. Then next, industrial dispersal policy and balanced regional development in India. So second unit we will study about the balanced regional development in India. Then third one, unit third, that is composition of industrial sectors, that is structure of large scale industries in India, that is sugar, cotton, iron, steel, agro processing sectors, cottage and village industries, rural industrialization, emerging global competition and Indian economy. What is the global competition, impact of liberalization and privatization on small scale industries. So whatever the policy, 1991 policy, that is LPG policy, we will study here detail. That is sugar or these type of small industries, how the small industries were there and how the rural industries developed, all those sectors, all those factors, and in detail we will study in composition of industrial sectors. Then next one, financing of industry. Financing of industry means here the meaning of financial industrial finance. What is the meaning? What is the meaning? Then direct and indirect finance. Then role and functions of this kind of a financial institution, that is IFCI, IDBI, ICICI, small financial corporation, then SIDBI, etc. We will study in industrial finance. Then next, last one, it is unit 5, that is industrial development in India. The what is need of industrial development, what are the requirement of industrial development. Then industrial policies of 1948, what is the policy. Then 1956, then 1990, and a comparative study of these policies. What we are the comparative study, how we will study, compare this 1948 policy, then 1956 policy, then 1991, and so. And industrial growth, how the industry had been grown in India, all those things. Industrial development, whatever the development has been done in industrial sectors or in industries, we will study in industrial economics. So with next video we will start industrial economics unit 1. So with that, thank you.